Struggling to find a drone that captures stunning footage without costing a fortune? Many drones are either too bulky or too complicated for travel and vlogging. In this video, we'll reveal the best drones for vlogging and travel videos that are budget-friendly, lightweight, and easy to fly. These drones deliver smooth, high-quality camera footage and reliable performance, so you can focus on capturing your adventures. To find out more information about these products, you can check out the links down in the description. Also, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest video. Okay, let's get started with the video. First product on the list, DJI Mini 5 Pro Drone. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is a compact and versatile drone designed for vloggers and travel enthusiasts. Weighing only 249 grams, it is ultra-portable and easy to carry, making it perfect for on-the-go shooting. Equipped with a 1-inch large CMOS camera, the drone captures stunning 4K HD videos with sharp details and vibrant colors. The 3-axis gimbal stabilizes footage, ensuring smooth and cinematic shots in any situation. Although it does not feature obstacle avoidance, the brushless motor provides stable and quiet flight. GPS functionality guarantees precise positioning, giving users confidence during complex maneuvers. Wi-Fi connectivity allows real-time monitoring and control, simplifying flight management. Overall, the DJI Mini 5 Pro combines portability, professional-grade imaging, and reliable flight performance, making it one of the best drones for vlogging, travel videos, and aerial photography enthusiasts. Second product on the list, SEQURE SQFPV FPV 4K Drone. The SEQURE SQFPV 5-inch FPV drone is a powerful drone designed for vloggers and travel enthusiasts. It features the DJI O3 Air unit, delivering crisp 4K UHD video with reliable transmission, perfect for cinematic shots and freestyle flying. Equipped with a 10th-generation GPS module, the drone locks satellites quickly and maintains stable positioning. The SEQURE H743 V2 flight controller paired with a 70A 4-in-1 ESC ensures smooth and responsive flight performance, even during aggressive maneuvers. The innovative ice armor design protects components by efficiently dissipating heat, making it reliable in extreme conditions. Full coverage arms conceal motor wiring, enhancing both safety and aesthetics. Overall, the SEQURE SQFPV combines durability, high-quality 4K imaging, and advanced flight features. It is an ideal choice for creators seeking the best drone for vlogging, travel videos, and aerial photography. Third product on the list, AE86 Pro Max Camera Drone. The AE86 Pro Max drone is a compact and powerful drone designed for vloggers and travel enthusiasts. It features professional 8K and 4K HD cameras mounted on a 3-axis gimbal, delivering smooth, cinematic footage. The 110° wide-angle lens captures expansive landscapes, making it perfect for outdoor adventures. Equipped with ultrasonic obstacle avoidance and integrated propeller guards, the drone ensures safer flights. Its brushless motor provides quiet and stable performance, even in winds under 10 km/h. This makes it reliable for capturing clear, steady shots. The built-in 4.5-inch display and GPS navigation allow real-time monitoring and precise control. With a 10 km remote range and removable 8,000 mAh battery, it offers extended flight time for longer shooting sessions. The AE86 Pro Max combines portability, smart safety features, and professional-grade imaging. It is an ideal choice for creators looking for the best drone for vlogging and travel videos. Fourth product on the list, SJRC F22 XR-PRO Drone. The SJRC 2XR-PRO Plus is a professional drone built for vloggers and travelers who want high-quality footage without breaking the bank. It features a 4K EIS camera mounted on a 2-axis gimbal, delivering smooth and sharp aerial videos. This makes it perfect for capturing landscapes, cityscapes, or adventure trips. Equipped with visual obstacle avoidance, the drone ensures safer flights, while the brushless motor provides stable and quiet performance. Despite weighing just 585 grams, it resists winds up to 10 km/h, giving steady control in outdoor conditions. With GPS support and a 6-kilometer remote distance, users can explore wide areas confidently. The drone also supports up to 128 GB of storage, allowing creators to save hours of footage. A removable 3500 mAh battery gives up to 28 minutes of flight time. Overall, the FTO2 S2XR PRO Plus combines smart features, portability, and 4K clarity, making it a top choice for vlogging and travel videos. Fifth product on the list, Potensic Atom SE drone. The Potensic Atom SE is a compact, travel-friendly drone that fits perfectly into the vlogging lifestyle. Weighing only 245 grams, it avoids extra registration in many regions, making it an ideal companion for creators on the move. Despite its small size, it captures stunning 4K HD videos at 30 FPS, offering clear and vibrant footage for travel scenes. Its electronic image stabilization ensures smoother shots, even during quick movements. The brushless motor adds more stability and durability, allowing users to fly confidently in winds up to 20-30 km/h. Moreover, the Atom SE includes smart GPS features such as auto-return, keeping flights safer and more reliable. With a 4-kilometer maximum remote distance, vloggers can explore wider landscapes with ease. The Follow Me and Waypoint flight modes add automatic tracking options, perfect for solo travelers who need hands-free shooting. The Potensic Atom SE blends portability, 4K clarity, and smart controls, making it one of the best drones for vlogging and travel videos.